Hello friends, I'm Ehsan from eBangalore Property. Hope you liked our first ever drone video shoot. This is a luxurious affordable home project located off Old Madras Road near to Sai Baba Ashram. Earlier we had posted a complete video tour of the project as well as the apartments and floor plans. I have given the link for that video in the description. Still we have very few few flats available for sale here in this project, 2 BHK. This is a east facing 2 BHK typical apartment, 1030 square feet, entry foyer, living, dining, kitchen, utility, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 2 balconies, one in the bedroom, one in the dining area. It's a new project, premium quality construction with all modern amenities, swimming pool, gardens, clubhouse, party hall, gym, security, and lots of open area. Close to Whitefield, ITPL and Old Madras Road. So this is the first bedroom with attached bathroom and balcony. In the earlier video we have displayed many more details. Most of the amenities are shown. I have given the link to that earlier video. You can also look at that video for more details of this project. This is the common balcony. And this is the second bedroom with attached bathroom. Final finishing and cleaning is yet to be done. Final painting is yet to be done. Vitrified flooring, UPVC windows, premium quality bathroom fittings. Please go through the description below the video for complete details. Thank you for watching this video and do subscribe our channel for latest properties. Also leave your feedback in the comment section below.